Alright, well hopefully this camera doesn't fall. I got it weirdly set up in my dash. So this is weird. This is definitely weird that I am driving. I never make driving videos. I'm trying to be more efficient with my time as of late. I got a lot of things to do, and if I'm driving somewhere, I might as well use this as my intro. That's what we're gonna do. This is the intro. Obviously you guys know this is the beginning of the video, so I don't need to explain that this is the intro to the video that you're watching, because that would just be redundant, and I'm now just like rambling, so we're gonna stop, drop, and roll. We're not gonna do that. See, again, I'm just kind of spitballing here. Anywho, obviously we're in the car right now. We are driving to go to the thrift store, aka Savers. The goal of today is to get a whole outfit. I want to get head to toe a full outfit, and either acid wash or paint, or maybe a combo, a DIY whole outfit. I think it's gonna be cool and challenging. I've never made an outfit for myself. I'm not a designer or anything like that, so I think it's gonna be interesting, and hopefully we can pick some cool things. Yeah, we're en route to the thrift shop. I guess I'll let you know when I get there, because it's gonna be me driving for the next 10 or 15, and I don't really know if that's something y'all want to see, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna cut it here. So I'll see you at Savers.
We run things, don't talk it through, and every day is a victory when we don't have to wait, and no patience, it's a death dance.
Okay, I think we made out pretty good. Hold on, you just get out of this parking lot. So I had full intentions to film like my whole process inside, but like it was so chaotic in there for like a Sunday afternoon. It was like packed. There was kids like on little bicycles like screaming and everything, and then I didn't get a cart, and I was just using my hands, and so my hands were getting full, and it's like I'm trying to like browse through the clothes while holding my clothes and holding my camera. Like it just wasn't a good, it wouldn't have come out good. I would need someone there with me to like follow me around, and I can talk about everything, but I think I got everything I needed. I'm doing a whole entire outfit, so found like a nice long sleeve undershirt, and then also a t-shirt to go over that, and then I have two pairs of pants. One is like kind of funky, and one is just regular black jeans, and I have found like a cool belt that can go with them, and then I got some socks, but I didn't find any shoes. All the shoes were like either severely dirty or just like nothing I deemed like worthy enough, I guess. So I do have a pair of shoes at home that are like all white, kind of like dad shoes. So I'm borrowing those shoes, so I can't really do anything to them, but I can just wear them as like just plain white shoes. And I also got like a nice little fanny pack thing, or a man purse, or a regular purse. I don't know what the name of it is. It's just a little bag thing I got that might be like designer-y or like aesthetic. I hope I make this green light. The light went red right when I pulled up. Sick. Love that. But I think I found everything that I could possibly want. I got the hat, I got undershirt, I got overshirt, I got a belt, I got two pairs of pants, I got socks, and I got a little bag. So no shoes, but no shoes, no problem. That's what I say. Actually, I never say that. So for my first outfit, the black jeans and the black long sleeve, I'm just gonna acid wash both of them since both are black and they match. I figured might as well just acid wash both of them. Then I'll use spray paint for the other outfit. So if you don't know how to acid wash, there's a link right there if you want to check it out, how to acid wash, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get started on this.
You were on
All right, I'll get to spray painting on the other outfit. So let's go grab the spray paint. Thinking maybe, since the shirt is blue, maybe some pink will give a nice contrast. So we use this. And I've got like a little bit of yellow left. Maybe I can use some of this. We'll do black as well. Black, pink, and yellow. Gotta get my caps. Also, if you guys want a full art studio tour or my art supplies tour, let me know down in the comments. A couple people have been reaching out saying they'd like to see that. But if that's an actual thing, I'd be more than happy to go in depth with all my art supplies and like the difference between spray paint caps and everything and let you guys into my head. But yeah, just let me know. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so that was way cooler than I expected. Like, had no idea what I was doing, but what happened was really, really cool. So I'm super pumped. I'm gonna let everything dry. Yeah, I'm like super stoked about how this all came out. So things are good. Things are really good. 2 thumbs up. I got some paint on my fingers. See you soon. Okay, so the clothes are done. I think it's time for a nice reveal. I'll do 2 outfits. So the first outfit will be my acid wash outfit, and then the second one will be my painted outfit. Yeah, let's go to the reveal.
I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back.
So I didn't try on these jeans at Savers, and they're a little skinny, but I kind of feel like a rock star or something. I don't know. Okay, now for outfit 2.
Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Blow make digits, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. True in the cut, hey, you want us red run when I tell a bit peace. Love is love.
Okay, well, that pretty much does it for this video. I actually had a lot of fun making these clothes, but I'd be curious to see what outfit is your favorite, so either vote in the poll, which is on one of these sides, or just comment down below either acid wash or paint. I just think this part is really cool. I don't even know who this guy is. I might just be uncultured, but I have no idea who this person is. But it was like $3 at the thrift shop, so it's mine now. And it's just like so big. Like, look how wide that is. Yeah, feel free to drop any more video ideas. The outfit idea, I just wanted to say thank you to James Ladwig. He suggested doing the whole outfit. And like I said before, I'll give you a nice little shout out. So thank you, James. I appreciate you. Again, you guys are giving me all these ideas, and it's something I've never even thought about doing, like making my whole outfit. Like, I've never thought of that before. So this is fun. It's challenging but fun. On some real, I kind of felt a little like with that whole dancing sequence, like before this, I did feel like a little awkward, and just like, you know, cars are driving by, neighbors are around, like thinking to myself, like, oh, like, what do they think about me or whatever. But honestly, you can't even think like that, because at the end of the day, I'm having fun, and you know, I'm creating content that, you know, can produce an income for myself. So I'm just like, this is my work in a sense, and so why I should be ashamed of like my work? And I'm just literally having fun and wearing a satchel or pocketbook or whatever you want to call it. I have no idea what this is, but I guess that could be a little advice tip or whatever you want to call it, is don't let other people's opinions of you dictate your actions or your belief system or anything like that. I was a little uncomfortable making this video, but I think it came out pretty cool. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep on rambling, so we'll just end the video here. See you guys soon. Peace.